Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a personal assistant that helps integrate with all of your Google Home ready devices. It works with Google Home, which allows you to set up a smart home, but Google Assistant also works with a variety of smartphones, computers, tablets, and TVs. We're going to switch screens here and we're going to take a look at Google Assistant and see how it can help integrate into your life and make your life a little bit easier. All right, there is Google Assistant. Google Assistant integrates with pretty much everything. It integrates with your phone, it integrates with Google Home, but the whole purpose of your own personal assistant with Google is to make sure that you have an easier life because everything is at a voice command. If you scroll down, there's all of the things that you can do with Google Assistant. You can turn on your coffee maker. Let's make chocolate chip cookies. Hear the news. See what movies are playing with this weekend. The list goes on and on and on. And as you can see, it integrates across all of your devices, like Google Home, your phone, and more. Um, let's scroll up a little bit on the screen. And where can you find Google Assistant? Well, it's available on a variety of phones. You click on phones here. It's available on both Apple and Android. You can download the Google Assistant app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. It's also available for speakers. So if you've got speakers around your house, you can just say, okay, or hey, Google, and it will automatically start playing or listening to your commands. Um, you can also find it on wearables. We go to wearables after a few seconds. It'll come up with all the different wearable devices, Android Wear. Um, find it on laptops. So you can find the Google Assistant available on the Google Pixel. TVs. So you can get it on Android TV. Just talk to your TV and have it do things. Available in your car. And you can also get it on smart displays as well. Um, what it can do? Pretty simple. Pretty much everything if you think about it. So you can search on the Google Assistant website at assistant.google.com and you can find all the different things your assistant can do. And the great thing about Google Assistant, if we go back to the home page, it integrates with a variety of devices that uh, can help you create a smart home. So as you can see, it integrates with Spotify, YouTube. You can do Netflix, CNBC, If Then What. So there's a variety of different apps and programs that Google Assistant will work with. So everything is just at your voice command if you want to have it done. So there's all of your um, partners that Google Assistant works with. So you can get news from CNN or NPR, information from the Wall Street Journal. It works with smart thermostats such as Honeywell and Philips. You can even integrate with iHeartRadio and the Food Network. So Google Assistant is the ultimate as far as creating um, a personal assistant that integrates with all of your smart home devices. So if you're wanting to go towards a smart home, one of the things that you want to look for is to make sure that the devices that you want to integrate into your smart home have the Google Assistant logo on it. So that way you know that you can use Google Assistant and Google Home Speaker to integrate all your devices and to allow you to have a smart home. So check out Google Assistant because it is a great app that helps integrate your life and makes life a lot easier for you. So check it out. So as always, if you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips that you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's hundreds of videos there that are designed to help you get the most from the technology you use in your day-to-day life. Also, check us out on social media. We are constantly sharing content that is going to help make technology easier for you. So, as always, Thanks for watching, folks, and take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile.